Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTier, and I am the owner and operator of Lajoytra Creation Designs. First of all, I want to say thank y'all so very much for clicking onto this video to see what is going to be coming soon. But before I get started, please like, share, and give this video a thumbs up. It helps my channel greatly. Just like those of you who tune in to see what I do, everything that I make and I create, I want everybody to get the full effect of my videos, meaning that if you can share my video, I would greatly appreciate it so very much. So I'm coming to y'all today to show you what is going to be coming soon, okay? I got these beads from Amazon. I think I did a haul on these maybe sometime last year, but this is the stash that I'm going to be making and creating, and y'all gonna have to bear with me with my nails. I gotta get my nails together, so bear with me. And this assortment comes in different sizes. We have all different sizes here. We have some 8mm, we have some 10mm, we have some 2 wood beads, just all is right here. So I just wanted to come to you all to show you what is going to be the next how to make video. I will not be able to upload that video today, okay, but it will be coming. It will be uploaded by tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, today is Tuesday, so it will be uploaded by Wednesday. The time, I'm not really sure. Y'all know I'll be up wee hours in the morning uploading videos. So I just wanted to come to you all to show you what is going to be coming next. This right here. This bead don't even belong in there, okay? I believe, if I'm not mistaken, I paid about maybe $8 or $9 for this. I'm thinking maybe it could have been 7 something. I'm not really sure. But you get all of this, and you can make many earrings. The only thing that I'm going to say is that some of the beads do have some pings and pongs in it. Okay, I'm just putting it out there, being truthful with you. So, okay. But you can get all of this. I think it was $7 or $8. I'm not really sure. I do have to let you all know about the quality of the beads. Like I said, some of them will have some pings and pongs. But I am going to be coming to you all to show you how to make and create a pair of earrings using this stash right here. Okay? So, if you are new, if this is your very first time chiming in, joining, or watching, I greatly appreciate it so very much. And please, if you see fit to subscribe, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. You have to make sure that your notification button is on, because if it's not on, you won't get the video instantly. But if your notification is on, if you have it on all, you will receive the video. Okay, so as always, I hope y'all are staying safe out there. Please, if you don't have to go anywhere, I haven't been anywhere. I haven't been to the post office. I haven't done anything because I'm trying to give. The last time I went to the post office, it was a fiasco. It was a hot mess. Okay, it was a hot mess. They had maybe 1 or 2 people in there working. They had the line going out the door. So, all right, y'all. So anyway, I want to thank y'all for taking the time out to watch this here video, and be looking out for the how to make video tomorrow. All right, as always, stay safe, peace and blessings, and until the next one, see ya.